Alright, so I bought one battery like this, and I bought three 7 amp hour 12 volt batteries. And the 7 amp hour 12 volt batteries had an expiration date of August 24th, 2022. And this one has an expiration date of October 14th, 2022. It's hard to see, but the date code is very light. You have to really look for it. It's almost like maybe somebody tried to erase it. I'm not sure. But there it is, 10/14/2022. Yep, 10/14/2022. So this battery is 6 months old, and the other three batteries are 8 months old. And they were supposed to be quote-unquote factory fresh. They may be brand new and never been used before, but they are not factory fresh, being 8 months old.